special welcome to all the new people on here tonight, and for people that we hadn't seen in a little while, we're glad that you can be here. Look, this 2x2 for you, it's very, very simple, and it definitely is your path to success. So Doc Lett, he is the owner of 2x2 4You. He's here. We're going to go over how this compensation works, how the products, and how simple it can be that you can start earning checks this Friday, week after week after week, with a one-time out-of-pocket. So, Doc, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to you.
All right, thanks, Lisa, and once again, welcome to all the new people that are on the call. We've had a real influx of new people lately, and, I've got a feeling that most of you guys, probably all of you guys, understand what a 2x2 is. It's one of the simplest of all matrices. Most 2x2s in the past have been used as a feeder program or some type of, little cycler. Our 2x2 is a little bit different. I like to say that it's part one of a much bigger picture, because getting you into profit is a number one priority, and we've got several different ways to help you do that. But, when you talk about the power of two, our power of two has a totally different meaning than, most other companies that have used the power of two. And here's what I mean by that. The power of two for them, is two people helping two people. Two people helping two people helping two. Well, first of all, we think in terms of three people helping three, and I'll share with you in just a minute what I mean by that. But the power of two for us is a husband and wife team, or it could be you and your company. It just helps you to, put more money in your pocket faster. And, we've got a very simple, very affordable, very doable 2x2 here. The $25 is a one-time out-of-pocket, and you'll notice there's no admin fees. We just wanted to give each and every one of you an opportunity to, with pretty much pocket change, be able to take your income to another level. Now, let's take a look at how it works. And, and remember what I said about, we think in terms of three. Now, let's start with two, okay? Two people helping two. Right there on the left, the matrix, that's a total of six. All right, so six people cycles you, and in this case, you earn a commission check of $60. But think in terms of three. Three people helping three, so that would be three. Each one of those three help three. That's 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Can you picture 12 people in those 6 positions? Obviously, that means you're going to cycle twice with the same $25. And, $60 commission is good, but $120 is even better. You see what I mean? And that's why we keep emphasizing thinking in terms of three, because as you build your team, as you continue to move forward with this opportunity, and there's 4 packages here, your income's going to grow week after week after week after week. So, and the other thing I want you to think about, and we'll be over on that page in just a few minutes, and that's categorizing. When you can, help 3 people and help them help 3 people, in different categories, it's amazing the number of people that you'll have on your team, and you don't have to be a superstar, to make it happen. And that's one of the, the extras about this opportunity. It's very, very, very simple, and once again, it's very, very doable. And you'll see here, when this matrix fills up with 2 on level 1, 4 on level 2, then you earn a commission of $60. Like Lisa said, the commissions are calculated every Friday, and so you end up earning checks each and every week. Now, back to that, 3 people helping 3, 12. You see what I mean? You cycle, you get re-entered back underneath your sponsor, and when those 6 other people come in, you cycle again. You can cycle multiple times per day, obviously multiple times per week. Now, we mentioned that there's 4 packages. The second package is a $50 package where you just take $50 out of one of your commission checks, purchase the the general manager package, which is the second package. And with that team that you're putting together as they follow their sponsor, which is you, then you earn $130. So now keep this in mind. You get re-entries in both. So it's very likely the more people you share this opportunity with, and when I said very likely, it's absolutely going to happen. You're going to earn checks in both. You can cycle in both, every week. Multiple cycles in the $25 package, multiple cycles in the $50 package. And what makes that possible is the fact that you've got re-entries, that follow the sponsor. So the people that you bring on board follow you. You follow your sponsor, and it just continues to almost become a money machine, because the more people you help, the more those people help put money in your pocket while they're putting money in their pocket, and it's definitely a win-win. Now, take a look at the other two packages. The third one is a $100 package. There's a $250 commission there, and it's the same deal. 2 people on level 1, 4 on level 2, moving from package number 1 to package number 2 to package number 3, all 3 being able to cycle each and every week, and could cycle each and every day. Just depends on how many people you share this opportunity with. And then the fourth package is a $150 package. So with that in mind, 4 packages, all with re-entries. And once you pay that one-time product purchase, then, all you have to do is just continue to share this opportunity. I definitely encourage you to do your homework when it comes to categorizing, and definitely do your homework when it comes to, adding the downline building club. Both of them are very important parts of team building with the 2x2. All right. Now, when you add all this up, the $60 commission, the $130, the $250, the $400, you can earn over $840 again and again and again and again, each and every week. You just got to share this opportunity and help your guys that have become a teammate to just love this page. Now, we're just talking about 2 people on level 1 and 4 on level 2. But when you are categorizing and you want to share an opportunity with each of these categories, think about this. 3 people in each one of those 16 categories. Well, good grief, that's 48 new people. 48 new people, can make a major difference in your income. And you just help 3 people in each one of those categories. They're going to build a team of 39, and now that's 39 times 48 is 1,872. What do you think? 6 into that is 300 and something. You know what I mean? That's a lot of cycles. Let me throw something else at you. And these are numbers, and if I guarantee you, if you put the time and effort in it, you can make these numbers work for you. 16 categories, nothing special about 16 different categories. But let's say instead of helping 3 people, you go out and help 39 people. 16 times 39 is 624. Now, 624 people building a team of 39, now you've got 24,336. Think about that. This is a 2x2, the simplest of all matrices, and you're putting teams together through categorizing of these kind of numbers. 24,000 plus people makes a major difference. If you want to change your world financially, and you want to do that at a cost of just $25 product purchase, this opportunity can do it if you're willing to think a little bit bigger than other people. And if you're willing to get out here and put some time and effort and see just how many people you can help, and we'll all be working together as a team, your world will definitely change financially. This is very, very simple, very, very affordable, and because it's so doable, and it change your world, financially in a heartbeat. Now, just a quick overview. $60 in the first package, $130 commission in the second package, $250 in the third, $400 in the fourth. You've got a team of 39, 3 people 3 under each one of those three. 3 plus 9 is 12. And 3 helping 3 just helps you put that 39 people together. As they fill these matrices up, as you go from package to package, your weekly paychecks, are going to, they're going to soar. And, with that in mind, you've got an opportunity here to really make a difference. So now, as we go the last page.
Fact that, it's automatically you're re-entered and your same team follows you. It's that true follow your sponsor thing that you just continually, as they're building their team, that pushes them to follow you, and it's just continually cycling over and over again. And I like weekly checks, and when you can get a weekly check in the mail, once a week, once a month, it really helps your budget every month, so it is a great opportunity, a very simple compensation plan, great products where you can save money, and then our direct selling side where you can earn additional income on top of it. It just all works together, so it just really does make sense. So, guys, if you need us, you can call us at the office, 256-270-2277, or send us an email to support at 2by2forYou.com also. Let's see, we have a roundtable discussion every Friday, and this one's a little different. We leave it open. You can ask any questions. It's not a presentation or anything, but it's Doc and I on there where you can ask us anything. It's just an open mic, so be sure and join us for that also. So with that, I'm going to say have a great evening, and we will see you next Tuesday. All right, bye, everybody.